Alright folks, so in this video we're going to look at, for new YouTubers, how to get at least 50 subscribers and what it takes to get there, okay? And we're going to be looking at some top notch points here. Okay folks, so in today's video we're going to be looking at how I got 50 subs and I posted 100 videos in about 30 days. Now, excuse me, I did have a few subs and a few videos, but I really didn't focus on that for about a year. It was just kind of something I did. You know, I'm really focusing on my YouTube now. It's been about 30 days, and I've just tried to post at least one video each day. Sometimes I post more, you know, if I get the idea going. But your goal should be definitely to try to post one video a day, no matter what. Because if you're not, then you're not staying up with the times, you know. People aren't seeing your stuff come across every day. So some of the great things that I wanted to touch point on was to have a pen and a piece of paper. The simplest thing, for real. But when you have an idea, you might be laying in bed, you might be out at dinner, you might be at church, you might be just watching a movie. Jot it down somewhere if you have an idea. Because a lot of times, the ideas that I don't think are going to do that well end up doing way better than anything that I put time into. So when you get a random idea, jot it down, maybe brainstorm a few ideas, and you know, just enjoy it. Try to have fun with it instead of stressing about the next view or the next subscriber. You know, just go into it feeling happy and just know that eventually you're gonna get there. Okay, sometimes you get these like stopping points where you won't have any views on a video, or like I got stuck at 43 subscribers forever. Oh my lord, it seemed like forever, but it was only a couple days, you know. So you just need to just be patient. We're gonna take a look at my top video ratings, and we're gonna talk about a few items that you should be looking at on each video. We talked about it, enjoying it. You know, you want to make sure that you're having fun with this. This isn't something that you're gonna, it's not a get rich quick scheme, okay? This is something that you're gonna have to put time and thought and a little love into, if you know what I'm saying. So one of my crucial points that I think is a great thing to grab views is to start a new hobby, whether that be music or like a new instrument, or say that you start welding and you've never welded before, or just something that you've never done before. Not only will it be good for you, but you should go out there and try new things and then document it so that you could share your story, because that's what people care about, is your story. I started playing guitar recently, and I've been documenting my videos as I go, and I'm not very great yet, and obviously I know that, but people still seem to be engaging in my videos because there's other new guitar players, you know. So another tip that you could go follow along with would be following small news stories. Now, you don't want to copy another, you know, news company's story, but for example, in an area near me, the river was all backed up. It was flooding everywhere. Someone was able to fly a drone over that river, got some footage, and I'm sure that dude's stuff blew up. You know, I don't know who that was, but following small news stories, or even going out and like interviewing someone local, like go to a local game store, a local card shop, go to a local music store, go somewhere and just simply ask, can I interview you? Can I do an interview and ask you what it's like to run this store? What your struggles are, and if somebody else who was looking to do the same thing, you know, you don't get what I'm saying. You'd be like a news reporter. Go out there. You could do that. Small review. Small news stories are important. You could do like reviews. So one thing that I've started to do is just go around your house, find something, anything that you've purchased from any store, make a video about it, and then if you can, post in multiple places about that product, about what your opinion is of that product, and that helps you, you know, get some views going, because people are always buying stuff. So If you're a low budget YouTuber and you just need to try to come up with some ideas just to get your brain rolling, you could always just grab a toothpaste container, grab some food. You could anything that you purchased or in the past, or that you just recently purchased, or something that you had for a long time would be better because you could give a better honest review about it. So reviews, always a good thing to do. When you're making your videos, if no one wants to see like a total mess in the background. You don't need a green screen. You don't need anything super fancy, but like a couple guitars. It took me a second to place those guitars there, but they look nice in the background. You know what I'm saying? So just either a tapestry or a flat wall that's got all nice one-colored paint. You can hang a bed sheet and just zoom the camera in so it's just showing you. You know what I'm saying? Make the background look appeasable, because if the background doesn't look very good, it looks all cluttered. That's how people are going to feel like your channel is. Hats or jewelry. I hate my hairline. I have hair, it's thick and whatever, but I hate my hairline, so I wear a hat. You know what I'm saying? And that draws in people's attention. They're like, oh, look at that cool hat. Or your shirt is very important, or your outfit. Necklaces, earrings, tattoos, anything like that you're afraid to show or whatever for a business interview. You just want to flaunt it out here on YouTube. Just give it a little flaunt. You know what I'm saying? Just show it off. Be like, look at me. Because people like that. People want to see somebody that's like them. That's a normal human being and not somebody out there just trying to sell something, you know? Alright. Audio and video frustration. I just wanted to talk about this. I have had the most frustration, I feel like, with audio and video. Just getting the audio to come out in the right place, to sound right. And one of the ways that I've been able to deal with it is just by honestly doing it over and over and over again. And I'm about to dive into playing the guitar and hooking up like maybe an FL Studios or some kind of cakewalk or something. And I got to dive into more of that. But just be patient. There's some simple ways to get around audio problems when streaming. If you have an issue, feel free to comment in this video and I'll try to help you through it. Alright, so milestone videos like this one, 50 subscribers and 100 videos doesn't sound like a lot, but when you actually do the work for 50 subscribers and 100 videos, it's not easy. So you should talk about that, and you should, let people know what your experiences were like. We're going to look at we want to talk about thumbnails. Thumbnails are the most important thing, I believe. The thumbnail and the title are the two most important things out of anything else that you can possibly do. The thumbnail, the title. The thumbnail doesn't have to be some fancy AI thing. It just needs to be something where, when you look at it, you're wondering, it's like the end of a movie. If you leave a movie on a cliffhanger, everybody wants to see the rest of the movie, right? So you want to make your thumbnail like it's like a cliffhanger, like, oh, what's gonna happen? You're like a frozen image or whatever. Add some titles going across, or just have some fun with it. There's a lot of free programs out there. I wouldn't rush to the AI thing. I use that for some things, but a lot of my good videos were just good videos with an honest thumbnail. They were something I looked through the video to find the thumbnail. It wasn't something that I downloaded or had something else create for me. It was something that I was able to just simply take my video and rewatch it, use my phone, I screenshotted the picture, and then I set that as my thumbnail. And then boom, you're good to go. You could edit it, you could add a little words or whatever. So, and then your title, everybody likes to be able to read something clean. So keep it below 5th grade level, 3rd grade level, just simple writing. You want it as short as possible, as to the point as possible, and just make sure that when people are scrolling past, if they gradually read that line, they might go, what's that about? Try not to be fictitious or fake in any way. Just be honest and short and sweet. That's what people like, you know? Thumbnails, titles. We're going to look at my videos. I'm going to switch off this screen here. This is what my analytics look like over the past like 30 days or so. Hopefully you can still hear me. So like from February 19th, well, from the 19th to like the 27th or so, I had some real big spikes here. But like my biggest titles that I had, here, hold on a second. My biggest titles that I had pop off were, my highest was high egg prices. I did a video about my chickens because of how high egg prices are all around the U.S. And so I just did an honest video about how to take care of chickens in case somebody wanted to buy them and they don't know what it's like to own them, you know. So that video did pretty well. And then, you know, I live in a dome house. Not a lot of people live in a dome house, so that video popped off pretty well. And you know, if you were to go visit some nice architectural structure, you could show the inside of it as well. It's an idea. Some of the other videos, a POV, point of view. POV means point of view. I was doing some snowboarding pulled by a four-wheeler, and that seemed to get some good views around the yard on a snow day. And I showed my collection of my video games and my books, and people really enjoyed that. So there is some of my analytics. I had like 5,475 views, about 70 hours watch time, 11 subscribers, and 29,160 impressions. You know, that's in the last 28 days. I'm going to keep going with as many videos as I can, and I just wanted to share with you guys, you know, this is a huge milestone for me. It felt great to finally get to 50 subscribers. It's a small stepping stone, but if you guys will please just, you know, hit the like and subscribe button if you thought this video was helpful, and I hope the best success for you and your channel. And I want to I wanted to say thank you for watching, and I appreciate you being here. All right. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below, and please watch my other videos. Thank you very much. Have a great day.